Salah TSF ni inggi kokthum panda khwlaikha Agartala Press Club.
Sekarang media friends mana Khumpui, miro, semua orang ramai ni bagai. Sungtini TSF ni inggi, sung press meet asal mana masih. Ini angsak fang, amal jamatia, General Secretary, di Prasuram Evaluation. Tian lagu tunggu, ane President, Mr. Samrat, the Joint Secretary, Mr. Venu, the Town and College Committee ni Vice President Mr. Manish. Sungtuni press meet kami informasi. Talsa sekarang sung TSF ninggai sung 12-hour statewide sung strike down. Public ni support hamzakma the various student organization, social organization is support by. Sin is a movement. 12 hours sebagai successful. Boni bagai sanggon sini hamzakma te khak hamzakma te media rono jeng hambaya pun tane humale nirok sungno coverage khai sini je movement no hasse kana ngai nirok khurungman bagai nirok na hambay jeng sini strike jeng successful nang hangai jong maso nagar government of state Tripura borok taksa jora sono respond musaroya Sung main ismi jini movement romance kibnatui sung sengjagi family takla. Sung sini division wise sini railing thung teboni porake sung governor no sung member na yafar. Haifan government ro sini khorang khanain bagai sung banung khaze 12 hours strike sung call haven talsa saka 28 August. Government ro almost sitai sini movement sini khorang no khana yang ke sung bus kang salo table sini movement kotor no khana nei sung bisna lai ta kongo sung government no bar appeal khai haifan borok taksu dora khana oro kabang ma student organization social organization borok sono support khai haifan government takun sing Omo sini native indigenous people ni sini movement. This is not only a movement of native indigenous people of the state. I will request our brother of the Bengali community brothers and sisters to participate even in this movement. You all know the importance of language. Because we all have experiences. We have seen in the past the Basa Andaman. Why this movement took place? Because we all love our language, we all respect our language. So I appeal our Bengali brothers and sisters also to participate at this movement. You all also have sacrificed and know the grievances of the movement during the time of Basa Andaman. So we the native indigenous people also, to preserve our language, we are fighting for our rights for more than 50 years. So I want you all also to support it. I would like to appeal the government of Tripura and government of India to look into this matter. Why are we neglected? Why are our demand neglected? We question the government of India and government of Tripura. Boni bagai sing appeal khai government no. Sini je demand no. Seriously seri nai gani bagai. Sing sing tongla Sung talsa sedang sini movement, sung 12-hour strike, sini tak apa. Bus kang salo, sung khak sini tebu coba kotor, naik. And we have seen the national party are not in favor of this demand. The NSUI have supported us. We have seen the removal of the state president from the Congress party, the student wings NSUI. I don't understand what are the national party want to pass the message to the native indigenous people of the state. Are they not in favor of the native indigenous people of the state in Tripura or Northeast state? For all this reason, we appeal and request the government of Tripura and government of India to look into this matter very seriously. If not, we are ready to go for greater movement again. Secondly, Sungnuka Salkisa Sukang, the Pramotha Boro 30 of September, 12 hours sebagai strike document. Sung TSF kedua salrongnya, sung the regional party ni support mana sung samung kai fighter for the greater interest of the people. Boni bagai sung TSF khanani strike 12 hours sebagai jeti pramotha bai ringjaman no sung amano support kai hanai sung tini saklayo. Boni bagai sung ti prahasani lukurno ko koinai all movement no success kaya ni bagai ni ron participate ni ron hamza man ni ron support na. Boni bagai sung oman appeal kanyai as we are very peace loving people sung peaceful ni sung movement no sung carry on ma khainai. Boni bagai sung TSF sung khrani je 12 hours strike ti pramotha bai ringjaman no sung support kai.